Happy New Year! It is the 1st of January 2022 and yeah, I fell asleep on the sofa. I think I mentioned that, but fell asleep at around 9:15, which is shocking form, but got a good night's sleep. It's now 8:10. We've had coffees, we've had showers, we've got them ready, and we're going to go to the beach, take Murphy on a morning beach walk, and then I think we're going to go and explore a waterfall today. So, adventurous day. Hello, Murphy. I'm going to say Happy New Year. Oh, got my hair on you. Happy New Year. Hi. Just FaceTimed my parents as well. We're off out to start our day, and it's only just gone midnight in England. It's 8 hours difference, so kind of cool that we could speak to them whilst we're awake. I'm very excited for today. We have found the waterfall, but we are at the wrong end of it and being watched by cows. So yeah, the waterfall is all the way down there. We're at the top. So we need to try find how to get down to the bottom without falling to our death. Bottom, and it is incredible. Amazing. So blue as well. I think there's some sort of algae. You probably can't even hear me, but this is insane. I hope I don't fall. Look.
For a collision in the now. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors.
Mark lost a shoe to the waterfall, so we're now one-footing it. we got caught in the rain. But I got to use my new Christmas present. Right, we are ending the day with very crazy hair on the bed, but very good start to the new year. I don't think I mentioned after we had lunch, we went and had some ramen, which I've never really had before. I've never really tickled my fancy, but it was really good, surprisingly very nice. And then when we got home, we decided why not treat ourselves to a massage. I mean, they're very cheap out here anyway. They're really good. We ended up getting a really good deal. Got a foot massage and a full body massage for 90 minutes for 120k, which is maybe £6. Yeah, £6, which is absolutely nothing. I don't know what that is in dollars, probably like $8, $9. I'm really relaxed. Came home, got stuck in that rainstorm, which I did film. Well, I filmed my massive rain poncho, which Mark got me for Christmas. And then we've just been watching, what have we been watching? Dallas Buyers Club. It's now 9 o'clock and I'm shattered. I'm gonna finish this off here. I've set some goals. I'm gonna try my absolute best to upload once a week on YouTube for the foreseeable. Let's see how it goes. We are starting the new year. I've just hit 100 subscribers, which, considering I literally post so so inconsistently. If you are watching and you're not part of that 100 people who have subscribed, then please subscribe. That's all. Have a very happy new year. I hope you are feeling positive and hopeful about the year ahead. And I will catch you next time.